I need to not pick up my phone. I'll go straight to airplane mode. Find something to do. I know I can be a little bit cold, but my third eye is going blind. I'm on a line with my body and mind. It's playing tricks. I say I'm fine, but really it's hurting me deep inside. Cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing that I was next to you. I've been dreaming of us. Oh, I've been thinking that this is not a need or a must, but love has treated me so wrong. This year all I've got to show are songs, and I want to be super duper true to you, but God, I don't know what to do. Cause last year I was just 22. Feels like it up and flew so far away and out of view, but 23 seems like me and you. Cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing I was next to you. Ooh, I've been dreaming of us. Oh, I've been thinking this is not a need or I've been dreaming of us. I know sometimes I make you feel insane. Sorry, that's just how I play this stupid game. I can't act like a child and disobey all that you want from me and that you say.